In this video, I'm going to teach you how to save Procreate animations. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly save and export the animations that you have made with Procreate. So open your animation, make sure that it is good to go and that you are satisfied with the final results, and tap on the Actions button. So this is going to be a wrench icon, usually at the top left corner of the screen. If you see it elsewhere, just find the wrench button and tap on it. Within that option, in the actions will be the share button. So all that you have to do is choose share, and you will see a menu with various sharing options. In there, choose export. So you will be able to browse through all of the formats available. You can choose between animated GIF, animated PNG, and animated MP4. Animated GIF is best for web animations and smaller file sizes. Animated PNG is ideal for animations with transparent backgrounds and higher visual quality. Animated MP4 is suitable for sharing on social media or other video platforms. Depending on the chosen format, you might be able to adjust settings like the frame rate, loop count, and image quality. So change those according to your preferences, and once a format is selected and you export the animation, you will be good to go. This will export your animation to your device's photo library or any other location that you choose and allow you to share directly to social media or other apps. Be aware of the file size, especially for animated GIFs and PNGs. Consider reducing the frame rate or image size to optimize for smaller file sizes. The higher the quality and the longer the animation is, the longer it will take for the export to complete. If you are sharing your animation on specific platforms, check the recommended file formats and resolutions. But to keep it simple, just go over to the wrench icon and among the actions, select Share and then choose the export format. I hope I was able to help you on how to save Procreate animations. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.